Hi, I'm Roger and welcome back to the Tractor Tech channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily remove the side panel from your Kubota BX series tractor. We'll start by raising the hood and disconnecting the headlights. Now that the headlights are disconnected, we need to remove the wiring. You can squeeze it together with your fingers or a pair of pliers. Now that the wiring has been removed, there are 4 nuts with a 12mm hex on them that we need to remove. Now the hood can easily be removed. Set it somewhere safe where it will not get damaged. Now I'm going to remove these thumb nuts. Now the side panel can carefully be slid forward. Just watch the grill guard. Then you get a hold of it at the back and pull out a little bit. And now it's free from the tractor on this side. It's free on this side. And as you lift it, just slightly spread it open. The advantage to this method is that you do not have to remove the grill guard, which is a little bit tough, especially on this tractor with the weight bracket. And also now with the hood off, if you're doing repairs or maintenance, you can get more light in there to see what you're doing. And there's plenty of room to work on the tractor now. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this.